First is the welding system. There are 4 interfaces: home, process, settings, and monitoring. We can modify the parameters in the process interface. After modifying the parameters, select Save and Import, then Weld. Using the cleaning function. First, we switch to the cleaning mode by rotating the button in the upper right corner. Click Continue, then power off and restart. Then we enter the cleaning mode. After entering the cleaning mode, we can adjust its skin width through craft. At the same time, we can choose different focusing lenses through the Settings page. Focus lens supports up to 800 focal lengths and 120 millimeters width. Using the cutting function, we set the skin width to 0 in the processing of the welding system. Then set our cutting parameters. We can use the cutting function by replacing the cutting nozzle. Welding bead cleaning function. Choosing to use process 8 via welding system process. Set the skin width to 8 millimeters. Then set our split power. Then we can use the welding cleaning function.